We normally find an Instagram profile by simply searching for the username. But are you aware that you can find someone's profile by their phone number? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find someone on Instagram by their phone number. So if you find this guide useful, like, share and subscribe for more tricks and tips. With that being said, let's dive in. So now to begin, first locate your Instagram application. So after locating it, type and hold on that application, then you select App Info. Now here under App Info, you select Permissions, then you select Contacts. So make sure you allow the permissions. Now the next step is to log in to Instagram application. After logging in to Instagram application, now click on the profile icon here at the bottom right corner. Now click on those three lines here at the top right corner. Now select Account Center. Now here under Account Center, you select your information and permissions. Then you select Upload Contacts, the last option. Now select the Instagram profile. Now make sure you turn on Connect Contacts. After doing that, go back to your profile. After going back to your profile, you click on Following. So now you'll be able to see familiar faces you can follow. And by doing that, you'll be able to find someone on Instagram by their phone number. Now if you found this guide useful, like, share and subscribe. So thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in the next one.